made a fitting and primed the carburetor, cleared out all the old gas out of the fuel line, and got fresh gas pumped into the carburetor. Then when that was working, I went and pulled the old distributor, which was 6 volt, put in a 12 volt distributor, put in a new battery, and voila, we're trying to drive this around the yard to get the rust off the brake drums.
Good job.
They're very stuck.
Chevrolet 19 what?
41.
Wow, this is his dad's old car, Chevrolet 1941. Go, 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 go! Testing, testing, drive testing. Woohoo! It works. 1941 Chevrolet. My husband's been restoring this car of his dad. Old but goodies. Great job, Gopalov! Awesome! Still in good shape. So my husband been working hard for this car. Lots of parts that you can't find anywhere anymore. It's hard to find because it's an old car. So that's a big achievement on him. So that project is for his dad to drive, so he can still drive it. It's gonna be restored in the pole bar now, and still needs a lot of work. Great job, Gopalov! Awesome! He's gonna make his dad so proud and happy.